Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tutti. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a very interesting and important hack for you. I tried this and I discovered that it worked so well, and I thought to share with everyone. So how do you get enough juice or enough liquid from your lemon fruit? Very simple, and you just need 30 seconds of your time to do this. You don't need so much strength, you don't need to exert so much strength or so much energy to do this. The thing you can do is to get your lemon fruits, which you want to get your juice from, and prop it into the microwave. So no squeezing too hard or trying to use so much equipment to get your juice out. Just prop it into the microwave and you'll be sure to get enough liquid. So let's just go do this together and let's do the test together to see what I'm going to achieve at the end of the day. So guys, like I explained earlier, in order to get enough juice from your lemon fruits, you need to prop in your lemon into the microwave for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just do this, cover it for 30 seconds, and by the time you bring it out, you'll be able to get enough juice from your lemon. So let's just do a little test to see the result of what I just did. So this is the lemon I put in the microwave, and this is another lemon that I just took out from the refrigerator. So there are two different lemons, as you can see. This is the one I took out from the microwave. I'll just cut into it right now. Can you see? Even as I was cutting it, the juice was already spilling out. So without squeezing too hard, you have enough juice from the lemon. I've gotten so much already. So let's try the second one. Here's the second lemon, which I did not put in the microwave. Let's see, I'm really struggling to get the juice from it. I'm using both hands right now, and I've not gotten quite as much as I did with the first one. Let's try the second part. It's the same thing. I have some juice here, but it needs special strength to get the juice extracted. So like I said, in order to get enough juice, you don't need to waste so much time, you don't need to exert too much energy. Just prop your lemon into the microwave for 30 seconds. 30 seconds will do the job for you, and you get enough juice from your lemon. See the difference? So that's how to get enough liquid from your lemon fruits. So that's just how to do it, guys. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, kindly share, comment, do all the good stuff, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.